PVC valves, chokes for carburetors, dirt and carbon deposits. Yep, let's use it. Okay, let's do first startup. Put this here. Cold start. Now that's justified. Cold start. Reloading. Exhaust gases. It's the same as yesterday. It's like clean emissions, like you can smell when it's not running rich. I'm just gonna spray some cow cleaner. Don't have our rev working obviously, but it's maintaining a steady idle. Cold start. See if it goes away or if it like stables out. I'll get back to you guys. Sounds much better. No need to unplug map sensor. Map sensor is plugged in. The water we should have probably closed. Our water leak is quite bad actually. Yesterday I lost the cover of this, and apparently